right? So we're gonna go to edit right here. So I was already working on it. Right now, guys, understand depending on your niche for your affiliate marketing business and the offer that you're offering up front, I promise you, if you try to copy this, this isn't going to work because your offer is going to be completely different from what I'm offering. Guys, congruence is very important when it comes to Facebook ads. Meaning, if I'm offering a sales funnel, I'm going to be targeting those type of people, and I'm also going to be um, have a specific type of ad copy. I'll click it off or I'll click it on, right? Now, what I'm going to do is United States, Australia, and Canada, right? And me personally, I'm 24 years old, so I'm going to go ahead and create people who would be congruent. I'm trying to build a millennial audience, right? But I don't go as low as 18 because people who are 18 usually don't have money yet. So save this audience. And I don't need to put ad set. I don't need to put the offer. I'm simply just saving the actual audience. And then you don't need the date for the audience. It's cost per clicks, website traffic. I'm going to be driving them to the sales funnel. Then the next step would be ads, right? So now we need to create an ad. So we're going to go ahead and simply press. We're going to select the ad. Now, if you're on Ads Manager, it's a little bit different, but this is Power Editor. So we're going to click the button right here, and then there's a couple things, right? So I'm going to do a video ad for this one for right now, but I'm also going to be doing different ads, right? Testing, tweaking, guys. Facebook ads is all about testing, tweaking. People think they're going to be successful off of one Facebook ad, right? Just to show you guys really quick, because I want to like wrap your head around this. If I go into these, and then I go into ad sets, and I select all these ad sets, and then I go into ads, right now this is my 7th ad, and I'm not happy with these 6. Guys, I'm doing a 7th ad. I'm actually going to do 9, so I'm going to do 2 more after this video. But what I want you guys to understand is that testing and tweaking is once you get the cost per click that you're looking for, and you're driving traffic to your sales funnels, then with your actual sales funnel, what you want to do is start split testing your sales funnel. And that's a whole nother avenue. That's a whole nother aspect. But this is the ad portion, right? So why do 97% of affiliate marketers fail? Simple trick to avoid the scary 97%. So
I'm just using this as an example to show you how to create a Clickbank hop link and post it on Facebook. So with that being said, I'm going to go to the top one here, this Paleo recipe book. What you're going to want to do is click that promote button right there. You're going to click that. Go down here, open it up. I'm just using John Doe as an example. That's not really my Clickbank ID, but this is just for demonstrational purposes. So what you're going to do in that account nickname is whenever you sign up for your Clickbank account, whatever your nickname is, you're going to put it in that field. That's going to tell Clickbank when somebody clicks on your affiliate link who to pay. So you're going to want to make sure that's correct. So put your nickname in the field there, double check, make sure it's put in there correctly so you get credit for the sale. And then the second thing you're going to want to do is put a tracking ID in. This is highly recommended. It says optional, but it's highly recommended if you're doing internet marketing because you want to keep track of all, where all your clicks and sales are coming from. So without that, you're going to be marketing, if you're promoting a product through classified ads, through social networking, through your blog, online forums, whatever you may be doing, you want to know where your clicks are coming from, what campaigns are doing good, and what campaigns are not, so you can ditch the ones that aren't doing good, and ramp up the ones that are, giving you results, making you profits. So I'll show you the tracking ID real quick. I'm showing you Facebook here, so what you're going to want to do is put something in here that relates to Facebook, so you know your clicks are coming from Facebook. So we'll put Facebook, and it's a cooking book that I'm promoting here for demonstrations. Facebook, and then it's called Paleo, so Paleo, cooking. So when you go into your Clickbank and you check your analytics, that'll show all your stats from where your clicks are coming from and your sales and all that. It'll say Facebook Paleo Cooking, if I'm saying that right. And you'll know all your clicks are coming from Facebook, and that's the Paleo cookbook. So, and then you're going to click Create, and you're going to use this top link here. Always use the top link. Don't even worry about that bottom link. Click Copy, Exit, and this is my Facebook fan page. I'm gonna leave a link underneath this video, and come in and like my page, and then you can see what I'm doing, and you can kind of model your Facebook fan page after mine to see what I'm posting, and so you get an idea of what I'm doing to help you out. So click Paste here, and it's automatically going to bring up that Paleo cookbook there. So it's got a nice picture of the recipe book, value, all that stuff. And then what you can do, put a little space after that link, because your link's already there, your Clickbank link, and then put check out this awesome cookbook on the fine art of Paleo cooking. That's just some for example. And then what you're going to do is you're going to click Post. That's all you do. After you click that Post button, it's going to go into the news feed, and it's going to show how many likes you have on your page. It'll show it'll show this ad to a certain amount of people. Obviously, the more fans you're going to build up on your fan page, the more people are going to be showing your ads. You're going to do the same thing, like I said, with your actual Facebook page, and with your actual Facebook account. You got all your friends on and all that stuff, family members. And if you want to, they give you an option down here below each post. You can boost your post, and I only recommend doing that when you have a considerable amount of followers. So unless you want to, you can make an ad that based around whatever niche your Facebook page is around, and target people throughout Facebook. You can do that as well, but you'll be paying for that. And it's like, I do $5 a day, $10 a day, and it'll show you how many people your ad will reach. And it's really easy to do that. You can try it out and see if that works for you as well. But if you're just getting started, I would just recommend building up your fan page, building up those likes, getting those followers, and building up your business. But that's easy. I'm going to leave it at that. I don't want this video to run too long.
You should not just direct link to an offer. You can get banned. Also, doing landing page to an offer, you can get banned. But the two ways to get around that is doing your own product funnel up front, or doing an opt-in, okay, up front.